Did you survive the April Fool's pranks today? Whether you got fooled or just need a break, it's time to treat yourself. Here are 5 viral Amazon finds under $20 to instantly boost your mood. Number 1. The Hita Scalp Massager. Turn your daily shower into a mini spa. These soft silicone bristles deeply massage your head, washing away the day's stress for under $10. Number 2. The Mac and Bacon Microwave Rack. Got pranked at the office? Reward yourself with perfectly crispy bacon in minutes. It cooks the bacon above the grease, meaning no messy pans, and it is completely dishwasher safe. Number 3. The LF Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Melt away the day's chaos. This viral balm turns into a luxurious oil, erasing makeup and leaving your skin hydrated for a fraction of high-end prices. Number 4. The Gaiatop USB Desk Fan. Feeling hot under the collar? Plug this tiny, silent powerhouse into your laptop. It's the ultimate affordable office gadget to keep your workspace cool and calm. Number 5. Joomla Pillow Slippers. Kick off your shoes and step onto a cloud. These ultra-thick, waterproof slides are an internet sensation for a reason. They instantly relieve tired feet after a long day. Ready for some cheap self-care? You don't need to spend a lot to turn your day around. Check the link in the description or the pinned comment to shop all these treat-yourself gifts on our blog. Don't forget to like and subscribe.